a short story. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates.
Hi mister, how are you?
Hey, who are you?
It started raining. I don't have shelter. Please help me.
How can I help you?
Take me to somewhere there is no rain.
Okay. Okay, come with me.
Okay, please take me fast.
Hello, excuse me, do you know this address?
Hello.
Can I get help, please?
Of course. I know this address. Let's go. I will help you.
Hey, where are you going? Help me first.
I know. Whom should I help?
Hey, you are a bad man.
Who is that?
It's me, Bird Kinney.
What happened to you?
He's not helping me. He's a bad man. Don't go after him.
Hey,
Oh, really? Then I won't go with him. Thanks for help.
Okay.
hey, don't believe him.
I will find address by myself.
I will help you.
Okay, come with me. I will take you to safe place.
Oh my god.
The moral of the story is don't neglect people who believe in you. Thanks for watching.